Let's look at what you get with Pillcheck and what to do with your results. Pillcheck includes a genetic test using a painless cheek swab, a report showing your response to medications, a personalized review of your medications with tailored recommendations from an expert pharmacist, secure online access to your results, and annual updates based on the latest medication guidelines. Pillcheck covers medications for a broad range of health concerns in every test, including mental health, pain management, gastrointestinal issues, heart medications, women's health, and more. With Pillcheck, you get personalized insights for life. You can use it now to address your current health concerns, and it's also great to have proactively before new prescriptions are needed in the future. However, it's important to note that not all medicines have pharmacogenetic guidelines. Check our website for the list of medications we currently cover. More drugs are added every year as guidelines expand. You decide who sees your results, and data access is controlled by your informed consent. You can easily share your Pillcheck results with your doctors using the Share tab in your account.